Welcome to the future of manufacturing. This unassuming black rock is where the journey begins for every diamond we produce. Behind me is where the real work happens. With next-gen technology, we're making these massive operations cleaner and more efficient than ever before. Check this out. This is where the magic happens. This massive drill is boring deep into the earth, bringing up the raw materials we need. These trucks are the true workhorses of the diamond industry. This one alone can carry its own weight in raw kimberlite, which is why this is where the real transformation happens. Let's see inside the furnace as it reaches thousands of degrees. This massive chamber cools the synthetic diamonds after they are grown. Now comes the delicate part. This hydraulic press is the heart of the operation, using immense pressure and temperatures up to 1500 degrees Celsius to forge the raw diamonds. Is the final stage of the synthesis process. We use specialized presses like this one to recreate the immense pressure found deep within the earth.
We start with the molten iron process, already 17% complete. But look at this, the synthesis grew rapidly, already 37% integrated.
from this unassuming rock to this spectacular finished diamond. The transformation begins with this massive carbonado. It's hard to believe this rough stone becomes the sparkling gem you see here. Welcome to the Next Gen Diamond Growth Center. As you can see, we're already approaching 50% completion on this batch. Once the digital design is finalized, it moves to these incredible next-gen 3D printers, where the diamond is built layer by layer. This massive CNC mill handles the initial shaping of the raw material. Once inside, the robotic arms And now for the moment we've been waiting for. The laser array is engaging.
Look at that incredible precision. The green energy is just spectacular.
Once the weight is verified, it moves to this incredible machine for the cutting process. Welcome back to Next Gen Manufacturing. This is where the magic happens. The CNC lathe precisely wraps the diamonds up. It's incredible to see the precision involved. Here at the factory, we combine expert craftsmanship with next-generation machinery. And this is where the real magic happens, ensuring every diamond meets our rigorous standards. This is where the magic happens. We use this microscope to inspect every facet, comparing it to the 3D model you see here on the screen.
And this incredible machine lets you see the eye in microscopic detail, correct?
That's right. We're looking for the slightest imperfections.
The analysis confirms excellent results on the telescope.
Perfect. Initiating the engraving sequence.
This is where we perfect the design, visualizing the light refraction before we cast the mold.
The level of detail in these pieces is absolutely incredible, showcasing the fusion of technology and artistry.
As you can see behind me, these advanced machining tools allow us to craft stunning multi-carat diamonds like this one, all part of our next generation process. After passing our rigorous inspection, we are thrilled to present this exquisite diamond. The craftsmanship on this brilliant cut is simply unmatched. It's incredible to see the level of detail that goes into every single facet.
The precision required here is absolute. Each diamond must be perfectly seated before the setting is secured.
These are the raw diamonds, and we're ready to show you how they become this stunning piece. The journey begins here in the pit with these rough stones, which we then transform into these stunning finished diamonds.
This is the finished diamond.
It is absolutely stunning. So this is the brilliant cut we just finished.
Remarkable clarity, isn't it?
It really is, thank you. Welcome to Next Gen Manufacturing. We are so excited to show you what we do here. The process of creating these stunning diamonds is only half the story. Next up, we're tracking learning across the globe. Hi everyone, we're taking you behind the scenes of Next Gen Manufacturing. Next stop, the factory floor.